So during the holidays last year, I found out how expensive sleds were nowadays. And instead of paying the monopolies of Walmart, Dollar General, or Target, whoever may be in your neck of the woods, instead of spending like 20, 50 bucks on a sled that's just plastic and it's going to get ripped up, I spent like $30 on timber. We had some plastic barrels, and I'm making a 2 foot across by 4 foot down platform that I'm going to attach the bottom of the barrel to for a sled that the littles can have this year for Christmas. So when we're getting tugged around the yard, doing some age-friendly power sledding per se, and our chariot's hooked up to everything, I don't have to worry about if I whip a corner going over 5 miles an hour that a sled is going to break on me. I don't have to worry about that anymore because I'm using 2.5-inch deck screws to hold everything together. But I wanted to show you guys what I've been up to. I know it's been a while. I got the timber cut up. The barrels opened up and split. I'm going to have to wait till the key keeper gets here so he can help me straighten out these barrels and attach it to the bottom of the frame. And I think because I'm making 3 of these sleds, I think I'm going to have another barrel because it looks like when the barrels are split open and a line is drawn, they might only be 5 feet across. And so the remnants from 2 barrels would only give me 2 feet when I need to go 4 feet. So we'll dig into that here in a little bit later tonight and see what's going on with that. And I'll give you guys an update from there.